welcome to the channel. And today I just wanted to be so glad. I just wanted to share that we reached 100 subscribers on the channel, right? Thanks for all on the journey. I know we have shortcomings. We want to put up content daily, but right now we're just working on some projects. But really appreciate the love, really appreciate the support. I see the videos are catching up to our subscribers, and hopefully we can start making more meaningful videos in the future. So always, as before, we're going to do our best to really try to put content out there on our social media every day, those tech tips and the tech tidbits, so that it can help on your journey, wherever you may be, whether looking for the job, whether on the job, right? We always want to still be able to help, and we just wanted to say thank you. We appreciate all of you getting us this far, and we look to stay committed in the future to provide some meaningful content that will make more of a difference in your everyday life in the software industry. Thanks for watching.